Jamie's going to test out the DeWalt Impact Connect. So that's the PEX pinch clamp attachment for the DeWalt drill. Action shot.
Yeah, really. I don't know if we should take an action shot on the first time we've ever used it.
What do you think?
Oh yeah, it definitely crimped it.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Solid, eh?
Oh yeah. Easy too.
Perfect.
You know how much work that saves us?
I know.
Now, size it.
Now you're doing hand crimp.
You got to get it started. Make sure it's in the right spot. So, there's our hand crimp. There's our factory crimps from them. Exactly the same. Except this one was just pulling the trigger.
Yeah. Oh, a lot less effort.
So much better.